Congratulations guys, you are well on the way to developing high performance data model for self-service business intelligence. Now is the right time to learn more about the relationships between the tables. Before that, let us shortly recap the steps we have completed till now. First, we would be importing the data from one or multiple sources in our Power BI desktop. And second, we should ensure that these imported datasets are normalized and comply with all the three normal forms which we have seen. Finally, if the dataset is not complying with these normalization rules, then we should have moved the certain columns from existing tables into a new tables as required. Once we are done with the above steps, you might be wondering what is the next step, how we are going to perform analysis using these separate tables. And the answer is by building relationships between these tables. This is one of the fundamental part of designing a coherent and usable dataset in Power BI desktop. In next few videos, I will explain what are the types of relationships that can be built in between the tables. In technical terms, it is called as relationship cardinality. Primarily, there can be following three scenarios while creating the relationships between tables. One-to-many relationships, many-to-many relationships, one-to-one relationships. In Power BI, we would be mostly using one-to-many relationships between tables, and by default, only this type of relationship is allowed in Power BI. Based on the type of situation and information provided in tables, we may have to create other relationships using some workarounds. So with that, let us quickly understand each one of these relationships individually in next few videos.